Ano? Sabi sa'yo, masarap dito eh.
Sus, di mo sure. Pinaglakad mo kaya ako mula kanto hanggang dito.
Oh? Anong connect?
Baka hindi masarap, gutom lang tayo.
Sorry na, naubusan ng gas motor ko eh.
Joke lang, gets ko. Tsaka malapit lang din naman eh.
Kaya mas sunod, may panggas na ako. Hindi ka na maglalakad mula kanto. Alam mo kung saan?
Kalukuhan mo na naman.
Alam mo nga kung saan na.
Saan?
Tara.
I was broke back in 2009 to 2010, emotionally and mentally. All because of my ex-boyfriend, my first legal and serious relationship. Sobrang sakit nun kasi he was my first in almost everything. Except sa toot! And bata pa talaga kasi ako that time. Then came the ultimate plot twist. Pinagpalit niya ako sa best friend ko. Ouch! Double kill. That moment changed me. I stopped trusting easily. Friends, lovers, everyone. But looking back, that heartbreak was also my greatest teacher. I learned how to be wiser, stronger, and more careful with my heart. I learned how to forgive and eventually how to love again. Yes, I still have trust issues. Hanggang ngayon, syempre. But controlled na siya. Nasa tamang lugar, ganun. Kasi hello, hindi na rin ako pabata. Fast forward to December 1, 2011. My high school boy best friend invited me to his birthday party at Santiago Resort in Valenzuela. So maraming tao, maraming ingay, and sobrang saya niya. That night, without me knowing, I was about to meet my future tahanan. Did I notice him right away? No. Sobrang busy akong mag-enjoy, kumain, tumawa, and of course, sulitin ang bibihirang pagkakataon na makalabas ng bahay. Kasi sobrang strict ng parents ko that time. Ang ganda ko daw kasi. So, valid reason naman. Then, boom! December 8, 2011, may nag-text. Ikaw ba si Juan May? I replied in English pa, hoping the conversation would end quickly. Yes, where did you get my number? But he didn't back down. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, naghahanap ka raw ng ka-text. At that moment, alam ko na agad kung sino ang mastermind. Wala naman akong ibang sinabihan na naghahanap ako ng jojowain or ka-text lang hanggang Pasko. Ayoko pa kasi ng commitment noon, pero gusto ko lang kiligin sa araw ng Pasko. O diba, medyo pilya tayo sa part na yun. So I messaged my best friend, Densho. Sabi niya, kinukulit ako niyan, bet ka daw niya. Ang akala ko, may crush siya sa akin. Yun pala, set up. Yes, sinet up kami ng kaibigan namin. Sabi niya sa akin, may crush daw sa akin si Francis. At sinabi naman niya kay Francis na may crush ako sa kanya. Best friend things, o diba, kalokohan talaga. Fast forward ulit. We started texting on December 8, 2011. By December 13, 2011, kami na. Dito na nagsimula ang lahat. Kung may isang linggong pag-ibig, sa amin, 5 araw lang. But those 5 days changed my life forever. From that moment on, he slowly became my safe place, my peace, and my tahanan. In 2017, I got pregnant. In 2024, we finally exchanged vows. Between those years were struggles, tears, doubts, and especially financial challenges. May mga panahong akala ko hanggang dito na lang. But when Power Up came and supported us in every way, everything shifted. Slowly, doors open, hope returned, life changed. Of course, credits to my family who were always there for me, especially Ate Liway, my one call away sister/brother, na laging handang tumulong, magpautang, umintindi, kahit minsan okay or madalas hindi na nababayaran. Now, we are living a life that once felt impossible. A dream I used to pray for quietly before I slept. A life filled with love, growth, and two healthy, smart, and brave kids. What we have is a love story I will always be proud of. Once a prayer, now my reality. And I know in my heart how lucky I am to have this man by my side. So today, I just want to say, Han, salamat sa pananatili. Salamat sa hindi pagsuko kahit sobrang hirap na. Ikaw ang aking tahanan. Sa'yo at sa'yo lang ako uuwi.